Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to see how to change currency in PayPal when purchasing. When completing your purchase, choose PayPal as the payment method on the card and look for a link that says exchange rate or something similar. Now on the exchange rate screen, PayPal will show you the conversion it plans to apply. Select the option to swap your payment currency and charge your card directly in the foreign currency instead of your local one. Now PayPal wanted to charge, for example, $545 for 330 euros purchase by switching the billing currency to euros and letting a fee-free credit card handle the conversion. The actual cost came good. Now PayPal exchange rates are usually higher than your card's provider rates, so using your card's direct currency conversion can save you money, still lets you earn credit card points and avoid inflated PayPal rates. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.